Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video. Surprise! It's a box or an order from Bead Box Bargains. I usually, every time I do an unboxing, go back to their site to make sure that there isn't anything else new that I want. So I got these the last time I did an unboxing for them. And since then, I have been able to get us a coupon code if you want to sign up for their monthly kit. You'll get $2 off of your first month by using the code Turquoise. Caveat is, I think they're sold out right now, so you have to get on a waiting list, but they might have new openings. Okay, so you guys know I'm obsessed with check glass right now, but they had some crystals that I was like freaking out over on somebody else's post, and then I didn't know that they were from Bead Box Bargains, so I bought a bunch of them. Okay, we have, these are check glass flowers. They're such a weird color combo. I saw them, I was like, I don't know about that, but then I said, why not? So they're yellow, brown, and white, and the name is 20-piece 7 by 5 millimeter check pressed glass flower beads, multi-white yellow sienna. They were 99 cents and 30% off of that. So with my monthly subscriber coupon, I couldn't pass them up. They're 69 cents. Couldn't pass them up, guys. So those are pretty cool. Let's see. Ooh, okay. So you guys saw these in the last video. I had to get more. I had to, and only one has like a lot of brown in them, so that's great. And then, oh, they had them in other colors, so I got red and yellow. I'm trying to be daring, and you know I love my check glass, so, and I actually had some beads that matched these, so I had to get them. And then I couldn't remember if I had this color combo of these leaves, so better safe than sorry. And then I got these. And these are like a cotton candy pink and like a cotton candy turquoise, but I like that they're translucent and they're just so cool. They're just so neat. I just can't believe like how different these beads can be in the same shapes. I just love check beads. I'm like obsessed right now, and I go in different modes. Like right now it's check glass. Last year it was sea glass, and I still love sea glass, don't get me wrong. And before that, it was gemstones. I still love gemstones, don't get me wrong. But right now, I'm obsessed with check glass. So, which I hadn't been obsessed with them until lately. Okay, I had some pressed, I think these are, let's see. Oh, I got two of these. 5-piece, 12 millimeter check table cut Hawaiian flower beads, Scarlet Picasso. Those are like a really nice orange red, and they're not, I mean, they're showing in the camera as red, but they're orange red, and they're beautiful. And I got 2 sets of those. Okay. Oh, they always give you like a little freebie with their card. This is some macaroni and cheese yellow chain. Honestly, I'll probably pass that along to somebody else. I won't use it, most likely, unless I would paint it, and I'm probably too lazy to do that. I'm sorry. I'm being super honest. Then we have, oh, I had to get these. It's a 3-piece 14 millimeter table cut glass Hawaiian flower beads in crystal AB. Guys, they had them in crystal AB. Look at those. They're so pretty. I think I have a crystal that looks kind of like these coming from Tracy's stash, so I can't wait. So I got 2 of those. Those are so, AB just makes me so dang happy. All right, are you guys ready for these crystals? So here's the one. Here's one that, oh, I got more of these elephants from the last time because I couldn't just pass up more elephants. And they were in the blue AB. Somebody yelled at me for not taking them out of the baggie in my last video, even though I did take these out. So there's our little crystal, or I mean, sorry, blue AB elephants. I'm almost positive they don't have those anymore because all of you loved them so much. And then these crystals, I don't, what's the name of these? Seven-inch strand, 8mm crystal faceted rounds in blue iris. I love these like crazy colors. Whoa. Okay, so they look a little better on camera than they do in real life, but they're still, holy mama, look at that sparkle. Those are gorgeous. I got 2 strands of those. I mean, they're $1.89 plus 30% off. I couldn't not. I did this, that sentence doesn't make sense, but I couldn't not get these. So, and then, okay, so I also got these hammered ovals. Last time I got hammered circles, so I thought these looked really nice to go with those. Really like those. All right, and so here are the crystals I geeked out about. Okay, so one, they were 10 pieces, and they're called chevron stripe round beads. I got them in light gold metallic, metallic peacock, and metallic blue green. And I got 5 packs of I got 5 packs of the light gold metallic and 5 packs of the metallic blue green, but I got 10 packs of the metallic peacock because I was obsessed with them and I knew I was going to get them and I was going to have to buy them again. So instead of doing all that shuffle, I just got as many as I wanted the first time. So I got 50 altogether of the 2 colors and 100 of the other ones because I know I'm going to use these. Look at how special these are. So these are the metallic blue green. Honestly, I don't know if they still have these. I love these half matte colors. And I actually said that in yesterday's video of the haul I got from Pam. Oh, dang, that one's a little messed up right there, but a B cap will hide that. Look at how cool these are. I'm so happy with that. And they were 30% off of $1.39. So I think it's a good idea. So I got 5 packs of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. I got 5 packs of the light gold metallic. It's almost like a light bronze color. These are awesome. Oh my gosh. Those are so beautiful. I should have gotten more of those, but I'm okay. They look really nice with these leaves too. Those are beautiful. Beauteous. I should have gotten more of these. I'm obsessed with them. When I saw them on somebody else's piece of jewelry and I don't remember, or else I would tell you who it was, I was like, I need those beads. I don't even remember what kind of jewelry it was. Maybe it was a pair of earrings. I don't remember what the earrings look like. I just needed these beads and I saw them like 2 days later and I lost my mind. Okay, and then I got 10 packs of this metallic peacock. So it's like a purple, red, orange, yellow situation with a little bit of green in there. I couldn't not. I'm sorry, you guys. I know you probably hate my jokes, but I crack myself up. I mean, I'm the only one here, so I have to crack myself up, right? So I got 100 of these. 100 beads, 10 packs, 10 packs. So these are beautiful. I'm going to hoard them for a little bit, but I knew I was going to want to use them in quite a bit, so I bought so many of them. These are 9 by 10 millimeter. So obviously these are my favorite thing out of the entire haul. However, I did get some really cute stuff, and I'm really impressed with these crystal AB flowers, and then these guys. I already had some of the other stuff that I really liked. So anywho, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will put the information for the monthly subscription as well as the coupon code for the monthly subscription below. It's Turquoise for $2 off your first subscription box. Let me know if you guys have questions. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. I hope you have a good night. Bye-bye. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Tired? Hi, sweetie. Aw, you're so cute. Can you say hello, everybody? Good night.